Hello dear students, welcome again in my English class, and today we will talk about on vocab. Okay, so mostly students are always confused on this topic, vocab, and we will talk about this topic. Some words often confuse. Okay, so we will clear out we will clear our doubts on the words that always on some words in which spellings are a little different. Okay, only one word is different in both, but the meaning of these words are completely different from each other. Okay, but the sound, if we speak those words, so then sound is clearly in both words sound is same. If we tell about one word, then the and the second word and the sound is similar of both words. Okay, so we will talk about these words. So first, this is the first word is now. Okay, so what is the meaning of this first word? Knave. This is knave and this is knife. Knave and knife, and this is noun and adjective. Okay, so this word is starting from K and this N, but the sound is something same, and spelling is a little different from each other. A and I, mostly different. We don't call it a little different from each other. It's mostly different from each other, and the meanings are also different, but sound is a little same. So this is knife, this is knave. Knave means a dishonest person. Okay, knave means a dishonest person or a scoundrel. Okay, so how we can use this word? Scoundrel. He is a knave and plotting to rob the bank. Okay, definitely when he is thinking to rob the bank, so what type of person that was, you can know. Okay, and this is knife. So what is the meaning of knife? Innocent. This is innocent or inexperienced. And what can we call it? We can call it credulous also, and gullible. Okay, these are the meanings of knife. And how we can define it in our sentence? They are naive and easily be misled. So in this way we will use, what is the meaning of, correct meaning of knife? The person who can easily misled, who can easily affected with the other person, with the talk of other person, so can easily trapped. Okay, so we can use it in our sentence like that: they are naive and easily be misled. Okay, and the meaning of knave is that a dishonest person, scoundrel, and we can use it in that way. So these are the meanings and we can use it. He is a knave and plotting to rob the bank. Okay, so you are getting that meaning is quite different from each other. The first meaning is a dishonest person and second is innocent, that is full of honesty, the person who is full of honesty. Okay, and this is a very beautiful word and both are adjective. Both this is vulnerable. Okay, vulnerable, it means vulnerable means weak, easily affected, easily affected. Okay, and attacked, easily affected and attacked. Okay, so as we say that this is a prone areas. So what are prone areas? क्या होती हैं prone areas? जो easily affected होती हैं, जहाँ बहुत संभल के चला जाता है. Okay, and person who are weak and easily trapped, easily affected with the climate and other things. So we can call it vulnerable. Is that clear? So how we can use it in our sentence? He is a vulnerable to cold. He is vulnerable to cold means he is easily affected with cold. Okay, and second is, what is the difference between these meanings? Only U and E, and L is extra in that, and everything is same, but meaning is quite different from each other, and such type of words always confused. So just I'm just trying to avoid your confusion. I'm just trying to remove your confusion taking these words. Okay, so this is vulnerable. Vulnerable means, this is also adjective, means respectful, and honorable. Okay, respectful and honorable. So how can we use it in our words? Temples are venerable places for Hindus. Okay, got it? How we are using these in our own sentence? Like we can call it we can use it in our sentence like that. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was very vulnerable person in the eyes of every Indian. Okay, and dual. You're getting that there is only difference between A and E, and meaning is quite different. This is adjective and this is noun. So what is the meaning of dual? Means double. Okay, dual SIM mobile, and we call it it's our dual work. And dual means fight, quarrel. Okay, so how we can use these sentences in our these words in our sentences? Dual policy of the government, always we use policy of government, is beneficial to all. Okay, and this is due, the fight between two persons. Okay, वो खून खराबे वाली fight नहीं. It means duel, only simple duel. So that how we can use, he challenged them to duel. Okay, so these are the words that always often confuse to students. I tried my best to make you understand the difference between these words. This is knave and this is knife. ये vulnerable and vulnerable, and duel and duel. So I tried my best to make you understand the difference between these words, and these are only 3 words, and in my next video I will make you understand the some other words like that. Okay, thank you.